thunderstorm watch number 510, effective until 8 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Frederick, Harford, Howard, Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, Queen Anne's and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Adams and York, and the following, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island. Thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 510, effective until 8 p.m. Midpoint, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe Queen Anne's and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware; Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland; Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor; Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland; Eastern Bay, and Chopton River to Cambridge, Maryland to the Little Chopton River. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 510 has been issued from 1:10 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Arundel, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Harford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware; Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland; Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor; Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland; Eastern Bay, and Chopton River to Cambridge, Maryland to the Little Chopton River.